Who said the XP Deus II was a complicated machine? I'm going to show you how to set it up and get detecting in about a minute. Let's go. So when you turn on your Deus II, you'll be asked, what audio do you want? Once you've made your choice, then you'll go to Program 1, the General program. Now the General program is a true all-terrain program. It works everywhere, even on salt beaches. It uses a simple two-tone audio. Your ferrous targets are your iron, your nails. Non-ferrous are your coins, your rings, your ring pulls, your foil, etc. Typically your ferrous, your iron targets will display around the 0 to 10 target ID. Foil will be between 30 and 40, and your bigger coins will display around the 70 to 90 target ID. If you want to experiment with the 12 programs, just press the plus or minus buttons to navigate through them. The names are easy to relate to the different terrains. The park program is for searching parks, and the beach programs are for the beaches. That's simple. Well, that's just about it. How to get up and detecting with your XP Deus II in less than a minute. But please allow me another minute so I can demonstrate some basic detecting principles, what may help beginners. One crucial thing to remember, which is not just for XP machines but any modern machine, is your sweep speed and sweep technique. Always keep a constant sweep speed and as close to the ground as possible. If you go too slow, target identification will be very difficult. First of all, I'm going to go over the targets with the correct sweep speed. And now the incorrect sweep speed. Well, that's it guys, that's how to get up and detecting with your XP Deus II, your XP Deus II WS6 Master, your Deus 1, even your ORX. How to get up and detecting in no time at all. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.